knocking around some of the personals. You guys can see the massive amount of stuff. And that's a very condensed version of it too. But anyway, we need to go ahead and randomize the boxes. We'll randomize the NBA ones 1 through 20 first. All right, so it's once and twice and 3 times. All right, so that's the order for those ones. I'm just going to copy that right quick. Then we'll jump back in and I'll randomize the NFL. Copy. NFL boxes. All right. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, perfect. Here's the NFL ones. Let's go ahead and get those little guys random here. Once and twice and 3 times. All right, good. So that's the order, which will pull the boxes there as well. Cool. Come and copy. Okay, perfect. Now we are ready. Kind of. Just got to print that little guy out now. I guess we should just do the pink packs as well. There's only 8 of those, but I'll do it. I'll do it. And I'll just number the packs right quick. All right, 1. 6, 7, 8. All right, then the pink packs. And then I promise we're going to start breaking. So. All right. There we go. I guess 5, 7, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 1. Yes. Okay. Print that sheet. Should have had this all ready to go. I know it. All right, cool. Done and done. All right, let me label these guys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing there. 7 and 8. All right, cool. Okay, that's that order, and now we go in the order which everybody banging away purchases. Now I'm ready. See? We got it. We got it all squared away. That only took 83 minutes. All right, Matty G. Kicking things off. He's got a black box, which will be 23. 23. The NFL black box. Then pink select will be number 5. And 1 gold. And then the NBA, which is number 7. 7. Right there. All right, Matty G. Let's fire away, buddy. You got 3 in a row. And you crushed that CJ earlier, too. So, all right. We'll start off with This is the NBA. Well, there's your gold pack. That's a goodie. But, okay, little pajama pants up in there. That's the worst case scenarios. You got a pajama. Okay, so Brandon Podziemski. And then your gold pack. We're cracking these bad boys. Got George Brett. 14 out of 99 and a Joe DiMaggio. Okay. Let's go. This is Select Pink. There's your pack number 5 and your VIP pack. We'll do that one right now too. We'll see what we got. Got Greg Maddux out of 25 and a Jerry Rice. And your pink select card. Oh, that's solid. There you go. You got Garrett Wilson. So these ones were from one of the Panini events, and they are out of 10. They are exclusive. And since I helped set up the party and all that good jazz, I was able to get my paws on some for you guys. But 2 out of 10, and that's the rookie select pink of Garrett Wilson. That's all day. All right, here's your NFL box. Number 23, this is Matty G's Personals. Here's all your packs. And a Will Levis pink. Okay. It's a little pink guy out of the exclusive. Those megas. But a Will Levis, and he's hot on the streets right now, too. All right, let's start off with the 2023. So you got the 2023 national stuff. Oh, that ain't bad. Little Jordan Addison out of 99 and an A.A. Ron. That's pretty slick. And you got Trey Bird, 14 out of 25 and Cody Rhodes. This is a new breaker packs, and I ain't mad about it. Woo. Hey now. That's what I'm talking about. Getting them autos out of the breaker packs now. Dude, this is like a color blast too. 20 out of 25, Dorian Robinson. And then you got Aaron Judge, 199, and a Albert Pujols out of 199. That's a damn good pack. You got the 2024 National Silver. These are the new guys. Got Brian Thomas Jr., 4 out of 50, and a Joel Embiid. But those are all new on the streets. And then your gold pack. You know damn well that's going to sell. David Beckham, 60 out of 99. So David Beckham and a Ken Griffey Jr. I mean, pretty solid. I ain't mad about it. Matty G, thanks, brother. That was first up there. Okay, let's see who we got up next. Brady's Booze Cruise. He's got one of the NFL boxes. All right, so you got Brady's Booze Cruise. Here we go, bud. I need to probably check some of these off as I'm going along, too. Live breaks. Oh man, Optic 3 sold out. Dang it. All right, we'll do a couple more of these and then we'll jump back in. All right, so we're gonna start. Here we go and finish. I just want to make sure I'm going in order. And start. Cool. All right. Brady, let's do it, my man. You got one of the NFL guys. That is going to be box 15. Let's get box 15. There we go, bub. All right, Brady, here we go, dude. We got all your packs right there, and then your hit of Zach Charbonnet, and that'll be the Contenders Optic out of 23. So one of those tickets, those are tough to come by, and I like that. We're literally picking off all the small hits right now. I'm telling you, it's going to start getting loose. That's still not a bad little banger right there, bub. Let's see. Yeah, your 2023s, what is that? More Trey. That's all day long. Out of 99. And a Danny Dimes. And you got Danica Patrick out of 99. Jalen Hurts. Here's your breaker pack. These are the new ones, the 2024 guys. Singles actually sell pretty well out of this stuff, too. Like that guy. That's an easy 30 right there. 199 Patty Mahomes and Lamar Jackson. 2024 National Pack. Give him some of that Wemby stuff. A little Sue Bird out of 100. Or I'm sorry, 199 Sue Bird. And a Giannis foil. And your gold guy. That's going to be Ryan Sandberg out of 15. And a Arch Manning Rook. There you go. All right, Brady. There you go, brother. We just need some stuff to start falling out of these, out of the packs. That's what needs to happen. All right, Lost Motel. He's got one of the pink select. All right, so the pink pack number 7. That's what you got here, Lost Motel. Get you one of those. And then number 7, which is right there. All right, Lost Motel. Here you go, dude. Let me finish that one. And get that one going. Sorry, I don't have the chat up if anybody's saying anything right now, too, just because clicking on all kinds of weirdo stuff. All right, let's see what we get out of here. Lost Motel. There you go. I like it. A little Jackson Smith, cracked ice. 149. Jalen Duren. And your pink select. Yep. How about Babe Ruth? Pink select, and that's going to be 9 out of 10. I tell you, it's kind of tough to miss out of the select pink guys. All right, Lost Motel. There you go, buddy. Okay, Straw, he's got one of the NBAs. Yeah. Yep, here we go. One of the NBA black boxes. And that's number 5. Oi, oi. All right, Straw, here you go, buddy. One of the NBAs, and it was box number 5. Oh, little jumbo rookie patch of Max Christie. Yep. Like I said, I mean, with these being 65 a pack, if you were to go and buy them, and then snag these little guys, that little Max Christie rook, I dig on it. Yep. And that on top of it. Take that, Mahomes. 38 out of 50 Mahomes. Allen Iverson. There you go, buddy. A little jumbo rookie out of Immaculate. All right, Straw. That's how you do it, my man. Okay, so that was Lost Motel. He's done. We got Straw done. Hoosier said, give me 2 of the NFL guys. All right, he's got 2 of the NFL. Hoosier. Great to see you at the National as well, buddy. So you have box 1 and 12. 1 and 12 for Hoosier. Here's number 1. And box 12. All right, buddy. Let's fire away. All right. Go like that, and then number 12. Go like that. First one. I mean, I'll take them all day long. How about Bryce? You got a little twofer. One's out of 50, one's out of 55. The gold looks good. 2 Bryce Young rookie. Nasty old patches. We got all those packs. We'll crack those in a second. And then, oh yeah, that's right. That little guy. Okay. Well, there's 250 in your face hole, ungraded. See, I told you the bangers are going to start rolling out. Not too bad. I mean, that's damn good. All right, Hoosier. Now we got some packs to open up for you, man. There's your break. There's a whole, just a buffet of packs. All right. Let's start with the 2023 guys for you. All right, get that gold going. Out of 10, Deuce Vaughn. I mean, I'll take gold if you want to start throwing them my way. Jalen Hurts and a Danica Patrick out of 100. Durantula, 99. And okay, a little Jalen Brunson, 199. Here's the 2024 packs. Okay. How about Spencer Rattler out of 25, cracked ice rook? I'll take that little nugget all day. So Spencer Rattler out of 25, cracked ice rook. Little Aaron. Then he got a Latu, yeah, out of 99 with a Mahomes. I bet you Rattler sells. Your breaker pack. LaMelo Ball. And a little Bron. 199 out of each one of those. Then you got Donovan Mitchell, 199. Chetty, also 199. And then your gold packs. KJ Evans and bingo. Get him the cracked ice A Rich and a KJ Evans. Dude, you're like cracked ice fiend right now, Hoosier. All day long, brother. Oh, hey, Decoy, sorry, I just got the chat up. Just look. 23 out of 75, Hoosiers all day. Next gold pack. Come on, bro. Do it again. You got Keegan Murray, rook, and a Jared McCain. I don't know, man. I think you just crushed that. Because here's what kind of just really sets the tone. He's getting 250 back immediately. Hey, Hoosier, good work, brother. And I think I got your 3 golds over here too. I can pop those in your mail day for you. I don't want to get anything confused. But I got your 3 golds as well, buddy. Because I didn't get you the golds at the party, right? I'm just putting them in there for safekeeping. How about that? All right, man, that was solid. Way to go, dude. That was pretty decent. I'll take it. All takes. Hey, does it? I wonder if the Spencer Rattler sells, whatever it is. All right, hey Decoy, you up? You up? You got the pink select. Come on now, Decoy. Hey, now we'll jump over. We'll knock out those 3 boxes of Optic here in a shake. I wanted to kind of get through a little bit of this, but Decoy, your pink pack is number 4. There's your gold pack right there, and then, yeah, I mean, I did see. By the way, Decoy, I did see somebody sent me a message about the, whatever you call it, the first off the line cases. Obviously a production issue that just anybody that got first off the line, they done did good. All right, here's Nolan Ryan. 199 in a Cal Ripken. But your pink select is... No way! You got back-to-back Nolan Ryans, dude! Hey, but still, that one's out of 10. I ain't mad about it. You could only get those at one of the hobby industry parties that Panini put on Wednesday night of the National. And so, regardless, somebody's trying to put together that, and there's two. Now you're a Nolan Ryan super collector. 23 downtowns per guy. That just blows my mind. Like when they did did like the, whatever they call it, like the quality assurance, the QA for everything. They weren't like, hey, you know what? Let's go ahead and we're just going to double check some of these here. All right, here's Lost Motel. He's got 2 of the NBA black boxes. So you have number 20 and number 8. Number 20 and number 8. For the NBA, Lost Motel. Let me get back here and actually I should do a new window. All right, Hoosier, you're out of here. And we had Decoy was all squared there with way too many Nolan Ryans. It's wild. All right, and yeah, we're at Lost Motel now. All right, perfect. Trying to stay in order right there. All right, Lost Motel, here we go. We got 20 and 8 on the NBA boxes. Let's see, there's 1. And number 2. All right, first. Yep. You see what I'm saying? You put in 100 and you instantly get 150 back. The Euphoria Wembalaya out of 99. It's basically got a bonus pack on top of that. That little sucker's a beast. I like it. Wemby. And then, yeah, probably not terrible. How about a little Lebronius? 41 out of 75. Jumbo jersey. That in itself, though, I feel like the NBA boxes were a little underpriced. Maybe I was rushing too much. I don't know. All right, lost my time. Joe DiMaggio. Green, though, 75 out of 99 with a Kevin Durant. And Troy Aikman at a 50 in a Dan Marino. Still waiting on like a weird tiger stripe or something goofy. But regardless, Lost Motel, that was it. That was an easy win right there, brother. That was like a dealer bust immediately. All right. Lost Motel. You, my friend, in the books and sitting pretty. All right, Mr. Doodles, and then we'll maybe do Decoys since she's here hanging out. A couple of those ones. And then we'll jump back over to the Optic here. in the shake as well. All right, Mr. Doodle's got one of the NBA black boxes. All right, so you got box number 18 right here. Here we go, box 18. Mr. Doodles, it's fired up. Yeah, you bet, Decoy. What do you got back here now? Ooh, I do like this. 1 out of 10. Gold. Jamal Murray NT Jumbo Patch. Timeline Materials. That card's beautiful. That in itself. Pretty good. Here's your gold pack. All right, little Durka. There's that Dan Marino back there. 81 out of 99. The Durka. But once again, that's A-OK right there. Mr. Doodles, you're in, bro. Okay. I did have fun at the National, Decoy, but I was just dead tired by the end of the week. Took me like 2 days to recover. Apparently, a ton of people came back home sick from the National. Naturally. You hog jam everybody in there. What do you think's going to happen? So, yeah, a couple days recovery. Oh, trying to get stuff unpacked and organized. All right, Decoy, you got one of the NBA black boxes and then one of the NFL guys. So, NBA is number 12 and NFL number 13. And 12. Okay, I know. But still a lot of fun. Parker was able to come up on, I posted up on Instagram. I didn't even know my login for Instagram, but it's kind of cool. Found that. Parker and Amy came up. Parker was able to do the little commercial guy. Little bonus pack in there for you, Decoy. And your football right there. Okay, where are we at? So we have all those packs, which is good. And then, the dude's selling hot on the streets, and I ain't mad about it. But 2, Will Levis at a 75, or one's at 75, one's at a 50. Both rookie patches, real nice. You're gonna have all your packs. Extra breaker pack was in there. But a little sneak attack. How about SGA rookie jersey? Those are actually kind of tough to find, too. So SGA rookie, 2 Will Levis, and there's an extra case breaker pack in there. I'll leave the case breaker pack sealed just in case you want to grab 40, but this stuff, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hang out here and crack these bad boys. 2023s first? Sure. But yeah, Parker had a blast up there. It was funny because the kids' case breaks all week. They were just up in my grill. All the kids. I had 99, Devin Booker, a little LeBron. So by Saturday, I was pretty exhausted as it was. And Parker was up there, and I was like, well, kids, I was going to have you break boxes, but my son's up here now, so Parker's going to break your boxes. Which I thought was funny. Oh, come on now. Decoy. What? Get yourself that Caitlin Clark. 8 out of 25. That's what I'm talking about out of the breaker packs. What does that little guy sell for? Now I kind of want to know if it's even been pulled yet. Card ladder. Let's see. No, not Cardi B. I'm not logged in. Oh, there I am. 2024 National Panini. Caitlin. What? Wait a second, dude. Oh my God. Decoy. Are you seeing this? The splash of color at a 99 sold for $650. Granted, that was in her NBA uniform. That one's at a 25 silver. What? Oh, that is a banger, right? I knew that was going to be a beast right when I saw it. You gotta be kidding me right now. That may have just paid for every single black box under the sun for you. Wowie wee wow. Holy smokes. Okay. Well, there you go. That, well, everything else is just gravy now at this point. There's a Paulo Banchero out of 199. Decoy, that's how you do it. I bet you guys are pretty stoked to get all your packs in the mail now, too. $3.99 Scoot into Jalen Hurts. Now you got 2 gold packs. Asar Thompson. Red Cracked Ice at a $1.99. Cal Ripken. And you got a Ryan Sandberg at a 15. Shorter print. Mickey Mantle. Doesn't even matter. And then you're going to get that one just on the way home there. But the Caitlin Clark, dude, that is huge. Way to go, Decoy. See, just wildly patient, and it just panned out. My goodness. Wildly patient. There it is. Yeah, you bet. Holy smokes. That's the way to do it right there. All right. Where are we at next? JD. He's got one of the select pink guys here. Let's go JD. Running out of the pink packs. This is going to be number 2 on the list. I already did the randoms, if you guys didn't see that. Number 2's right there. And you got one of the gold packs. All right, JD, 97.31. Let's see if anything out of the gold guy here. Kevin Durant at a 199 and a Jacoby Walter. Gold pack's got to step up a rap game. But thankfully you got a pink. Yes. Give me some Ken Griffey. 10 out of 10. And Ultra Pro even made these custom cases for the event too. You can't get those anywhere you want. Oh, no, hell no. All right, JD. There you go, brother. That ain't bad. Oh, let's get back to this little thing right here. So I can start getting those out of there. Doodles is done. Decoy. Yep. Done. And sorry, just trying to stay organized right here. It's been the story of my life for the past, for this entire, actually the entire national too. Ridiculous. All right, and all right, go Ducks. Now I'm back on track. Here we go. We got one of the NFL black boxes. Go Ducks. Here we go, buddy. NFL is number 24. Let's get number 24 right there. Empty Goldie. All right, Ducks. Let's see what you can do. We'll jump and knock around that last optic here in a shake. I just want to get to a good little stopping point as well, which I don't know what that is. I don't know. When I can't stack stuff up anymore. All right, here we go. Ducks. How about short print Chase Brown, 40 out of 75 at a clearly Don Russ. Okay. I was not mad about it. Clearly Don Russ is... It's actually kind of funny. You'll see some more in here, too. All right, so you got your 2023 silvers. The breaker just hit, the newest breaker just hit Decoy, smashed it at a 99 Dan Marino and a Patty Cakes. Chef. Okay, take out Will Levis at a 199. Here's your breaker pack. Come on, Caitlin Clark. Can we do it again? No. That's all right. Jalen Hurts, 199, and a Luka Bean. Deal. Be surprised. Those ones do actually sell. All right, here's your 2024 silvers. Travis Bazana. No serial number in there. And a little Puka Bean. Okay, well, save the best for last. Yeah, I mean, they didn't really give up. This is a really nice Jalen Williams, by the way. 149, blue cracked ice rookie Jalen, and a George Brett. They didn't. Well, I mean, did you see the news article where they won the first lawsuit or the first arbitration against the NFLPA? That's like the first of many, apparently. Which, I mean, once one goes, then they all kind of fall in line after that. All right, River City said, I have the last 4 select pink. Yeah, they won the first one, which is great. That means it's game on for products, you know, as scheduled, as opposed to being like, oh man, we got to stop immediately. So, all right, River City will knock out you have the last 4 pink packs. I think this is going to pan out in your favor, buddy. That's how you always do it. You're like, I just go deep. Here you go, man. You got all 4. So pink packs will be done. Here we go. River City. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you had the last 4 pink packs. We'll do the golds. Maybe get something weird right here. Albert Pujols and Patrick Mahomes, 149. Little Ant-Man, 199. And Randy Moss. Oh, Paulo Banchero Rook, I like that, out of 99. Brett Favre. And Albert Pujols again. Yeah. Crazy person. There you go, bud. All right, well, I think these are going to hit pretty hard here for the pink packs. You got the last 4. Yep, here's one. I'll be Lamar Jackson. 3 out of 10. Pretty good start, River City. Yep, and there's your banger. That's a couple hundy in the face hole. Get them Mahomes. 10 out of 10. Mahomes. Ah, that's a beast. And what else? The Iron Man, Cal Ripken. 3 out of 10. And your last, a Ken Griffey Jr. That was solid, dude. Way to pick up the... It's like you've done this before. You just picked up the last 4. You're like, nope, we're going to go ahead and bang away these. But the Mahomes that's huge. That's real big. River City. I have a sneaking suspicion you're not done yet for today. If I had to take a guess. All right, pink packs, they are done. Cool, man. All right, now we just focus on the other ones. All right, so here we go. We got the NBA black box of Go Ducks. We already did that. And just did that. Finish that one. Okay. And go Ducks. Okay. All right, so maybe after this one, we'll go back to the Optic, crush the Optic. Then, if we still don't hit it downtown, maybe I list at the last round and we just go after it. I mean, we only did 1 day of breaks this week. Might as well have at it, right? Plus, yeah, I got a bunch of weird bonuses. But anyway, NBA, you got box number 1. There you go, dude. Ducks. Box number 1. Let's have at it. Yep. That'll do it. How about 6 out of 8? Kevin Durantula, test of time. 6 out of 8. I think the 1 out of 10 went for over 100 or 80 or something like that. So, you know what I'm saying? Pretty is tough. It was tough to lose. Yeah, now you're used to downtown in every pack. That's exactly it. Oh, what are the odds now? Durantula in the same damn pack. 31 out of 75. You're now a Kevin Durant super collector. Ducks, that was the easy way right there, brother. All right, let me get this one saved up, and then we'll do the Optic 3-boxer, and we'll come back to these. Don't you worry, we still got a laundry list to go. But we will continue on here. Let me get some stuff. Yeah, downtown in every pack now because of first off the line.